they'll be urged to get up and dance. And then the fine guy joined them. There she is. My love, I come for you. Nah, bro, this place has got Wi-Fi. It's so fast, right? You know, I like the sound of you two being together. Time for bed. How about a bedtime story? Okay, night-night. Are you serious? Yeah, you're gonna have to get a ticket. Thanks for the tickets, bro. Yeah, this movie rocks, right? Right. Great. Just gonna make some adjustments. There. It's perfect. We're almost to Mordor. Wait, this calls for a game of hide and seek. How did you... It's getting colder. Time to get up. Seriously, it's 6 a.m. I understand that is. Seriously, it's been 2 weeks. Ready for Christmas. Seriously, it's June. Right. You think yes? I hope not. I hope so. Story time. With this final batch, she had completely disposed of the body. Oh my god. So you're a transformer? Yes, young human. Then let's transform. Kinda disappointing. Yeah, I know. He's always complaining. Is that so? Oh, really? What? You got the offline tags, right? How did I leave the tags? Wait, where's my gas? Alright, now where was I? You should get out. You're sharpest outfit because you've earned a night on the town. Boogie. Oh, are you sleeping in here? Hey, I think he's sleeping in here. Hey, do you want to go out sometime? Talk to my hand. Rude? No, shit, that never works. Let's trade it. I love that I'm too tired, I'm gonna give up. We have a paper due, and we have to get past level 40. How can I get here? Don't question it. Jordan haven't shown which flow so sloppy. Get some better rhymes to best play off me. Done! Wait. Story time. The receptionist's dark secret was that the computers were only used for Minesweeper. How did you know? This woman is my destiny. She said, well, it could be my hot mixtape. And the kitchen's on fire. You're weak. Hey, mama. Nah. There you go. Nah. Making my way downtown, walking around. That awkward moment when your girl catches you with the side. Not like your soul be taken today. Not today. Hold our car. Why do we even have that lover? That was a great party. That's why the grandpa swore off going out altogether. Simon says touch your nose. I didn't have touch your ear. Say Simon said.